24 voltage transformer. I am going to make a subwoofer amplifier, 2:1 amplifier. This is the base tone circuit with a low pass filter. The voltage socket is here. The output socket, subwoofer output, left and right speaker output, and this is the input. So input socket, this is the input socket. This is the base tone circuit with low pass filter. This is the left and right speaker circuit. Studio amplifier. Left for the left and right. Negative voltage, positive voltage, input, left speaker input, right speaker input, right speaker out, left speaker output, right speaker output. This is the mono amplifier board for subwoofer. Positive voltage ground, negative voltage. Audio input, output. Now I am going to connect the voltage. First I am going to connect the AC voltage for this circuit. For this base tone circuit I am connecting the 15015 voltage. We can use 10010 to 18018 voltage to this circuit. I am connecting 12012. AC voltage. This is AC voltage. This circuit will make AC to DC. This is the good quality base tone circuit. Now I am going to connect the DC voltage. This is the DC voltage. DC 24024 voltage. I am connecting the first subwoofer circuit. The white one is the ground voltage. The ground voltage should be here in middle. Sorry, I have to fix first. The white one is ground voltage. Need to clean the run. Yes, this is the ground. I connect the ground voltage. Now red one is the positive voltage. Positive should be here. Now negative, the black one. Black wire is the negative voltage. I connect extra wire for the another circuit, for the another surround amplifier circuit, left and right. I am connecting the left and right speaker output circuit. I am connecting the voltage, ground voltage. Then negative voltage, then positive voltage. Voltage connection ready. Now need to connect output and input. I am checking the voltage first. The circuit turn on ready. Checking the voltage, DC voltage 17017. After voltage regulating IC, it's make 12012. Positive 12, negative 12 for this base tone circuit. Now this is the main amplifier voltage is 24 negative and 24 positive. 24 0 24 voltage. The voltage is okay. Ground, negative voltage and positive voltage. Voltage is okay. Now need to connect the audio output and input. I'm going to connect the input first. This input for the bass output. Bass output is mono. Need one wire. I will cut the white one. I will use red, and the ground one. White one no need, because subwoofer output is single mono. No need the white one. Always use this type of wire for the audio input. This type of wire reduce the noise. This wire called skin wire. Skin type of wire. Now ground and subwoofer output. I have to connect ground and subwoofer output. I am also taking the wire for the left and right speaker, surround speaker. White one for left and red one for right. The ground should be together. Both ground should be together. You can see the ground socket. Here has only one ground socket. Now this one for subwoofer, the corner. So for the subwoofer output. Subwoofer output now left and right. White and red. White wire for one channel, red one for another channel. Sorry, need to clean first. Now it's okay. This one for subwoofer. Subwoofer output. Need to make place to fix the wire. Make the place to put the wire inside. Subwoofer input, and this is the ground. Subwoofer ground voltage. Now input for the stereo, left and right. We can use an 8-inch speaker for left and right, and 10-inch speaker for subwoofer. Also we can use 6-inch, 4-inch, as you want, but we have to use a subwoofer speaker for the bass, and surround should be mid-range and bass together, normal speaker, but subwoofer will be bass speaker, and surround should be normal speaker. The ground, This is the left input. Here is the right input. Now need to connect the output speaker, output only. Our amplifier almost ready. I'm going to connect the speaker. This is a bass speaker. Very good audio speaker. This one 6-inch. Output, ground, and line out. I'm connecting the output speaker, output subwoofer speaker. Now the surround, left speaker, addition right speaker, left speaker, ground, left output. This is the right side speaker, black wire for ground, and right speaker output. Now our connection ready. Now need to play. Now I'm going to play the song, and I'm so sorry I cannot play the song for the copyright issue. I mute the sound. I'm connecting audio input now to the bass tone circuit. Input left and right. Middle is the ground. Left speaker input. Right speaker input. Now this is a Bluetooth device I make for check. Now I'm going to checking, making all minus, connecting the voltage, and increasing the sound. It's working. Look, subwoofer. Sorry I cannot play the song for the copyright issue. It's the bass. Sorry, the bass tone circuit cannot see nicely. Bass is working well, very well. This is 4-layer coil. LG made by LG. Thank you for watching.